Thagatpa phongdokchari May 3rd, 2023 da horakhiba irang asi ngasi phawba government na loisindana thamlakpana ngasidi chahi ahum apung phare chahi ahum asida thawai kaya katkre miyoi kaya gi leijaba pumnamak mangkre miyoi kaya amana ngasi phawba langlarangjen khangdana leini pumnamak asi usin tasinadana leiriba government asi makhona tadrabasu aikhoidi imaleba kini haina hanbe ade haiduna ngasi su mamaleba kunum sijaba irecha singna punsinduna Jantar Mantar Sida observance is Sinjari. So today we have gathered here for the third observance of the Manipur crisis. Not as one organization, not as one community, or not under one individual voice, but as a collective voice of the people who still seek justice, peace, dignity, and protection of our people. So once again, I thank each and every one of you for showing up today. And I also thank all the media fraternity for coming here and showing our support. And I request everyone to kindly maintain the discipline and decorum of this program. Since we are permitted with limited time, we should follow the instructions. So please kindly follow the instruction of our organizing team and the volunteers. And I also like to request our brothers and sisters not to give individual bite to the media fraternity. I hope you will understand, since we have already arranged some representatives with dedicated agenda with clear words to be spoken to the media. So I hope everyone will understand. And I also request our media fraternity not to take bites from the people from the gathering. We will handle you the list of our representatives and the spot to be taken from.
I stand here to express my deep sorrow, disappointment, and anger to all the concerned persons responsible for this 3 years long Manipur crisis. Okay, Manipur crisis. I use the term Manipur crisis. My fellow Manipuri, please let us use the correct vocabulary. It is not a conflict. It is a crisis which is engineered by and orchestrated by the government of India. And why I'm saying it is government of India. When the crisis started, we all were talking about some unknown hidden hand. We also use the term Turantaba. We also use the term Joru. And I think many of our colleagues must be knowing Joru ki marakta khwaidagi sathiba Joru number 7. Do you remember Joru number 7? Now, as the crisis went deeper, the Joru number 7 is very, very visible and identified now. And Joru number 7 is nobody else but the government of India. And none of our legislature has the guts to question the government of India. Manipur is a small state with hardly 25 lakhs population. The population is even lesser than the population living in Delhi itself. Why can't the Indian government stop the crisis or end the crisis? Are they willing to end the crisis, or they don't want to do the end the crisis? Crisis se lohen bangam dabra natraga thaoin ki lohen loyna lohen dabra. We need to ponder upon this, my fellow Manipuri. We need to wake up. Please wake up. I am not going to shout here for we want peace. How can a peace come in a state when our fathers, our savior remain silent? We keep on shouting and asking the people why you can't stop this. The government of India I'm talking about. And I'm also equally disappointed with our media fraternity also. So my media fraternity today taking this platform, I want to convey that media is considered to be the fourth pillar of democratic country, acting as a watchdog of, the governance. You are the fourth pillar. Why don't you question the government? don't be biased. I want to ask Mr. Modi, हमने क्या गलती किया है? मैतई ने क्या गलती किया है? You tell me. On the 3rd May 2023, the Meitei were just doing their normal life, playing with the small kids, going to school, the people going to the office. We are just doing our normal life. Then suddenly the attack come. The attack come. Then till 15 to 20 days, we were not even knowing what exactly had happened. The people were trying to rescue the people living in the Churachandpur or in the affected areas. We don't even know what exactly had happened. Whereas the other side, the fact is that their people working in the government officials were taken leave and leave the valley 2-3 days before, and there is evidence also. The media people, why don't you ask this? Please ask the government. This is the crisis of Manipur. The crisis of Manipur is now clear that it is an orchestrated crisis engineered by the government of India using Kuki militancy. There are so many theories and propaganda going on. Like, there is a foreign hand, then narco-terrorist angle, then, fracture sovereignty. The state is, fractured and dismantled into fractions and all. There are so many theories going on. But when you look at the pattern, you need see the pattern. Pattern देख लीजिएगा. हौजी मैतई ना मुक ताकथरे, तांखुल का कुकी का मुक तौनारे. तो अदुने मोइने हाइडू से. It has been यो तो चलते रहते हैं इसे दोनों समुदाय के बीच में. Is it actually happening? Mr. Modi, I need another 2-3 minutes. Mr. Modi, you talk about the Akhand Bharat. You cannot glorify your Akhand Bharat when one of your own state is burning. You forgot the sentinel of the east, where the Manipuri. We are not the guardians. We are the guardians and custodian of the eastern frontier of your sovereignty, sovereign India. You cannot dream of Akhand Bharat when your one limb, the most important step of your country, is sewer like anything. And that is also engineered by you. You should be ashamed of. How can you talk about Viksit Bharat when the youth and the children cannot go to the school? You said youth are the pillars of the country. How can youth, when the youth are the pillars of the country, then look at the youth of the Manipuri. जरा नजरिया बदल के तो देख लीजिए क्या मोदी जी. We are not separatists. You compel us to feel like we compel us to demand our pre-merger status because your silence hurt us. Manipuri Iraicha Singh, Salaicha Singh, Manipur protect ang nabagi na magta India government ki darkar lay bro. Laite, we don't need. We can protect our own land. We can protect, and every Manipuri cannot negotiate the integrity of Manipur. You said that you used to campaign about 8 April माँ के नाम पे. Just a media gimmick? What about the mother in Trongalville? That also you remain silent. You choose to remain silent. Your selective treatment to the Meitei shows that you engineered this crisis. Thank you, everyone.
Hagachari ije na asugi mati phajana akhoi pumna mangna phawri ba wahai sing adu mayang mafam na thambiram le mathang asidi ibu henbala to zamna isai khudong tambigani masigi mamangda akhoi gi marakta ije malim thonga transgender social activist masamak su yaubiri mahaki signature campaign ama free movement gi matang da tawjagani Madugi signature daw na ba chasing adu mayamda adu program adu ye thokcher kani madu amutang volunteer sing na coordinate to biraga signature sing adu to lobby na baling sing dari. So for now I would request dahen bala